Right, welcome back. At last the perspex has turned up, so I can get on with putting the glass panels in. So right, gotta mark that out, figure out all the sizes and the best way to do it. So right, I'll get on and mark all those out. We want that goes down a little bit, so yeah, what I plan to do is put all the sides in with some silicone, and then the bottom I'm just going to turn it diagonally so I can get it in and let it drop into the bottom so that it fits, and then you can just put your hand up when you need to change anything. So I better put the light bulb in. So right, I'll get on cutting this and I'll be back in a little while. Righty ho, I was going to stick it with silicone, but to be honest I think it'd be better with some double-sided tape, because at least then you can, if you need to, you can take it off quite easily. So I think that's what we'll do, to be honest. Sticks well, but it's easy to get off when you need to. I think that'll be the more appropriate thing to do. Right, so let's have a look. Cool, blimey, that's sticky old stuff. Whoa. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect stuff. Oh, that'll look the part, won't it? Perfect. Right. I'll get on sticking the rest in and I'll bring you back when it's ready. Right. Big bulb. That's a fluorescent 100 watt. 88 actually. New enough. Anyway, right, that's going to be a bit tricky, isn't it? Oh, I might have... Anyway, I'm going like that. Oh no, that's alright. That goes in alright. No problem. Getting the bloody thing out might be a different matter. At the moment it keeps sticking to the sticky stuff that's fresh. Trick is just to get that one bit like that. Oh, you bugger, I missed you. Come on, stuck to the... Come on. Stuck to the thing again. Ah, there we go. There. Oh, that's not too hard. So, there we go. Right. Next thing is to put it all together and test it. Cheers for now. Alright, welcome back. Finished now. There we go. Don't look too bad. Quite pleased with that. I'll sit in the ground about there. And I've got to go down a couple of feet. So I'm 6 foot, probably just be able to touch the lantern when it's down. So probably only need a little step to change the bulb or something. There you go. Right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Cheers for now.